What happens if cats infect with the coronavirus? A tiger at the Bronx Zoo has become the first animal in the United States to test positive for the disease associated with the novel coronavirus. The tiger's infection is a dramatic reminder that the coronavirus originally spread from animals to people, and that it can apparently spread from people back to different animals. Cats can be infected with the coronavirus that causes COVID-19 and can spread it to other cats. The study, based on research conducted in China in January and February, found that cats and ferrets are highly susceptible to the virus when researchers attempted to infect the animals by introducing viral particles via the nose. They also found cats can infect each other via respiratory droplets. Infected cats had viruses in the mouth, nose, and small intestine. Kittens exposed to the virus had massive lesions in their lungs, nose, and throat. So if you own pets, do not let pets interact with people or other animals outside of the household. Keep cats indoors when possible to prevent them from interacting with other animals or people.